everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious carne en su jugo. This is such a delicious plate. It has beans, meat, bacon. It's so flavorful. If you want to see how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, I set my pot at medium heat. Pot is now hot and I'm going to add bacon. I'm using 1 pound of bacon that I've already cut into smaller pieces. We're going to cook it until it's crispy. Our bacon is now ready and we're gonna take it out. In the same oil from the bacon, I'm gonna saute about 6 chiles gueros and some green onion. It's been about 7 minutes and our chiles and onion are ready. I'm gonna use some of that same oil to cook the meat. Now I'm gonna add the meat. I'm gonna be using 2.5 pounds of carne ranchera. And we're gonna season it with some salt and pepper. Give it a mix. Remember, we're not trying to fry the meat. We're just trying to seal it in its juice. I'm gonna cover it up and cook it for about 10 minutes. While the meat cooks, let's make the salsa. I'm using 1.5 pounds of tomatillo and 5 chiles serranos. We add water and boil them. It's been about 10 minutes and they're ready. I'm gonna transfer them to the blender and I'm also adding some of the water. I'm also gonna add a bunch of cilantro, half of a small white onion, 3 garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And now we blend. It's been about 10 minutes and let's check on the meat. Now we're gonna add the sauce. We're gonna give it a mix and add an additional cup of water. Mix it again, and this is the perfect time to check to see if you need more salt or chicken bouillon. Now we're gonna add the bacon and also our chiles and onion. Mix it all in. Cover it up and cook for about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes and our carne en su jugo is ready. And it smells amazing. Look at how delicious it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna serve myself a bowl. Chilito güero, cebolla, y frijoles de la olla. Now we're gonna add some onion y cilantro. And there you have it, delicious carne en su jugo. Okay guys, moment of truth. Huele delicioso. Gotta add some chilito güero. Cheers. Honestly, oh, it's perfect. Súper, súper rico. Pero el chilito güero está bravo. It's spicy, but I love spicy, so. If you haven't tried this, make it delicious. All right, guys, if you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.